Hi everybody, my name is Erika Garcia. I am industrial engineer student. Um, I live with my parents in apartment, and I'm working all the day. And working with a helicopter in Guaymaral, far away. So now let's talk about my favorite movie. This is Life of Pi. I like the soundtrack because it's peaceful, and I try to relax about his music. I like because it's a different kind of movie with magic, with a different subject. It's no hate to people and try to get to revenge. Nothing about that. It's only peaceful. It's only to try to become a better person. So I like to want to the synopsis. This is a good movie because won a lot of awards, like a photography, like the best director, the special effects. So it's beautiful. I recommend it with you. This is a based on a book, was brought by Jean Martel, Canadian. This narrative is in the first person. This is about the Pisin Patel. This is a boy that born in India, and his parents have a zoo. His period was traumatic because he always was called like a piscine. Piscine was a pool in France, in Paris, I suppose that, well, in France, there was known like the best pool in this country. So he was called piscine. He wants to change his name, and he developed as a mathematical long form, and he tried to combine the p, the formula. This is like a number, and he developed eight number and get respect from his co-workers, his partners in the school. He wanted to find the truth about the God, and he learned about the Islam, the Christianism, Muslim, and Judaism. More or less, he was 16 years old when his parents to want to be more efficient with the economy, with the problems with Indian economy. So he takes the decision. His parent takes the decision to go to India and try to start again with the soul. And he takes the decision to move the soul from India to Canada. In this part of the time, this soul and his parent, there are inside of the in the by beach ship that she was hit by the big storm in middle of the sea. And normally this implosion was when he saw his parents die, and next there are whatever animals died, and he tried to be survived in a boat, but inside of the boat there are a Bengala tiger. So the convivence was a little complicated because all the time he needs to feed the tiger is Richard Parker. And the movie developed around the crisis of the situation when he tried to combine his philosophy religious with how to handle animal that is carnivore. It's like makes the sense. So finally he tried to become the best, and in the best, not friend, but the best share company in this moment for the Richard Parker. At the final, there are a person who wants to know all the story about that and how they below and then try to combine two versions about the history. And it's when you think about your life, your emotions, how to want to become best person in the life. If you ask me, I um I feel with this movie like we have the opportunity to be the best person in the life and be more efficient and always see the situation in the other point of view because you see all the problems and not the solution. This is a little part that the movie become hilarious sometimes. It could smile and laugh hard, but you see that even in the worst situation, you can be happy. Or you need to reach the happy or the happiness. The other question is how does the movie relate to academic program you are studying? Well, with a few things, building something is useful because you think that the movie show how to find alternative to give the solution in the unexpected situation and how you have elements around and we helpful for you and try to become in your side how to become in your tool for to survive for to continue life. This is like a version engines in imagine how to be the best way to do that. What did you learn about the movie? Well, be conscious the achieve of the proposed goals. If you have a goal, you need to reach. This is the best message for you in this movie. Thank you so much. Bye bye.